doing Sounds of the Shop, I'm mic'd up. So I feel like Aaron Rodgers out here. Hut! Hut!
Yeah, how is he
I hope they put that on there in the intro.
Let's think about this. What do we need to know? Instead of going with one piece like this where you just have like a little bit of a lip on the top of the cart, the new cart, if you had this, so the big lip so the robot doesn't roll off, you're going to be a doctor someday, I can tell. Let's set the robot on there for a second. Can we steal your robot for a minute? We have the time, we have the material. I mean, this is like a real world scenario, right? This is phase 2. You build something and you look at it and say, that's good, but what can I do better, right? And sometimes you got to take one step back and take 2 steps forward.
We have the chassis coming together with its final interpretation. I'm excited to get the Mecanum wheels rolling. Mecum wheels? Mecanum wheels? The mechanical wheels? The Sidewinder wheels? The Mecum wheels. How do we spell that? M-E-C...
I'm excited to see the robot in like complete working form, and hopefully by the end of the week we at least have a very base working robot.